I had to do a lot of research. I was making a life changing career. My background is in human resources and accounting and banking. And the reason I chose Thompson Career College was because of the smaller classrooms. The cost was right in my realm of sort of a reliable way and sort of an affordable way of getting some education. Also, the course was condensed, and it was a really short-term way of getting into the healthcare field. Whereas I didn't want to spend the time to put in the years to be an LPN or an RN, which I would have loved to have done, but it was close enough, and it was 6 months, and it was a great, great experience. I enjoyed every minute of it.